welcome back. So, I have a pile of fun here on my desk. I'm going to start my next journal. And this one, I'm going to be using the Serene Flora by Calico Collage. This is available in her shop. I'll have it linked below, but if you go to calicocollage.com, it's there. So, I kind of wanted to show you what's in this kit, and then kind of my thoughts and color scheme for the kit. So last time we kind of did a Crafty with me all the way through the boho journal. This one, let me know if you still want to do it that way, or if you would like to kind of see the projects, maybe like different things that I'm going to make to put in the book, and maybe not necessarily putting the book together. I don't know if that makes sense, but I was thinking about maybe making this group of videos using this kit a little bit different. Anyway, so let's walk through. So there's these beautiful cut aparts. Really pretty. I love that she leaves a line to kind of help guide you when you're fussy cutting. And then this is beautiful. I love these colors. These are my colors. Yellows and blues and greens. I also like yellows and pinks together, but this, she just does beautiful work. I love it. I mean, she does the work for you. There's really not much you have to do except put it in the book, really, and it just looks gorgeous. I love these cut aparts. So many fun elements to use. I printed it twice, these couple of sheets, because I thought maybe I could do some different things with them. Here's one of the journal pages. So when you fold it, not pretty. I don't think I'm going to copy dye this one. We'll see. I might, but right now I'm feeling like I might not. I'll just leave it with the white background. I think the crisp look of that will look really nice. This is a pocket, and then she has a jar. Love all the birds, so pretty. Again, I printed that twice. Another one with the clock. There's this one, there's butterflies and birds. So beautiful. Love that with the different colors. Pretty. All right, I think I printed that one twice as well. And then there's this one. Just one that's like that. And this one. So pretty. Okay, so those are the journal pages. And then I pulled some scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. I actually used this same scrapbook paper for a different journal. I think I sold it. It's the boho. Oh, let me get it so you can see. It was at Tuesday morning, and it goes perfectly. Genevieve collection. It's beautiful. Just so many fun colors, blues and yellows and greens. It goes perfectly with this kit, and then also there's another one that Norella has in her shop that I can't think of the name, but it also has blues and yellows. So it's kind of a fun bang for your buck if you get both kits. All right, so I thought these birds went perfectly. This green. So let me kind of show you what I do. So I take some pages that have a lot of the colors. This is how I kind of sit down and figure out my plan. So yeah, so these have a lot of the colors in the kit. And I kind of set them on my floor. And then I go through and kind of see if the pages work. So there's the bluebirds, so that works. And then there's some greens throughout. What I don't have any of that I would love is some of this pop of color. So that might come in some of the embellishments. I got this one with the bird cages and the yellows, perfect. And I thought this one was beautiful. And this one works really well. And then this one. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think if there's another one of these in the book, I'm gonna make tags. So yeah, okay. So along with the kit and the scrapbook paper, I'm also going to bring in some book pages. I have some green graph paper. Thought this would be perfect. And then I have these really cool books that I bought on Amazon. A Victorian Flower album by Henry Terry. And this book is so beautiful. Look at, oh my gosh. So I'm going to take some of these pages out. Oh, I can bring myself to do it. Oh, it's so pretty. But I'm going to take a couple of these. I'll probably do that off camera. What's this? Oh, it's an invitation to a wedding. How fun is that? So yeah, I'll do that off camera. Oh good, see there's stitching. So these will be easy. See if I can do it. I said I'll do it off camera and here I go. Oh yeah. That's easy to pop out. I think I'll do this. And there's a fold out. I like that. I'm going to keep it in here for safekeeping though. Sorry. All right, and this one is Wildflowers of the British Isles, also from Amazon. I'll be right back. I'm going to keep coughing. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm done. So these are really pretty, and I'll take some of these. I also want to do the Tracy Fox. She makes some fun tags and things with those. So that would be kind of fun to add to this journal. All right, so there's papers, and I think I will add just regular book pages too. But, well, you know what those are. And then I pulled some fabrics. Let me pull this back up so you can kind of see how it works. So I had this one in my stash, like the pattern, and this one. I think this one is going to reinforce my spine because it's kind of the perfect size. So I think we're gonna do that. We'll see. I don't know. It's fun kind of fabric used for furniture, really. However, does it look like a couch? Oh goodness, we'll see. Maybe not. And then I also have this one for my stash. I think that's really pretty. And then that kind of pulls in that color right there. Love it. And then I have this one with the bright yellows. This one. Soon I'll be making some scrap packs. And you know what? It'd be kind of fun if I made a scrap pack of fabric to kind of match this kit. I might do that. That'd be a fun little thing to put in my shop because I have tons of this fabric. And then this one with the greens. This is a flannel. And there's this beautiful blue floral. Isn't that perfect? I have a ton. I have a ton of this. Ton. So yeah, I could make like a little scrap Serene Flora. Look at all those. That's fun. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. That'd be kind of fun. I just have to cut it and put it in my shop. Okay. Then I have my blue. I don't think I'll go through this. I was going to, but no. But I have some blue trims and laces in here. I also pulled out my green and my yellow. So I'll be using those. All right, and so that's kind of my Serene Flora kit that I'm gonna start working on. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.